Welcome to your meditation practice. Begin to come into your most comfortable position, whether in a seat or laying down. Notice if you can get even 5% more comfortable. And begin to take a deep breath in as you fill yourself. This loving awareness start to consume into your pores, your skin, your nostrils, your ears, into your mouth, the soles of your feet, in and around your eye sockets, your hair, the top of your head. And invite in the ancient wisdom, the ancient science of mindfulness and meditation. And begin to bring your attention to the top of your head. Can you notice the air above your head in space? And draw that attention down and around your forehead and into the eyes. The muscles in and around your eyes, behind your eyes. Can you notice the space behind your eyes? Attention down in and around your ears and inner ears. Ear canal, an eardrum, a quality in your inner sounds, a sound that soothes. Attention to your cheekbones and nose, nostrils. The space between your upper lip and nostrils, filled with awareness, sensation, down into your jaw, your mouth, teeth, tongue, lips. The space at the back of your tongue and whole mouth relaxed. Attention down into your throat, the back of your throat, air that moves from your head down into your throat and chest. An area that takes in the signals from your whole body and brings them into your awareness. A new insight, understanding, new perspective. Attention down to your collarbone, over to your right shoulder, right arm, upper arm, elbow, wrist, hand, all 5 fingers, and palm, center of your right palm, alive, filled with sensation and energy. Attention back up through the right arm and shoulder, chest and collarbone, left shoulder, left arm, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, left hand, all 5 fingers, left palm, center of your left palm. Attention back up the left arm and right into the center of your heart. A stirring in your heart, an energy that expands beyond your heart, aware and attuned to your intention, heart's deepest longing. Attention down, deeper and deeper into your stomach, low belly, down into your right hip, right leg, right thigh, knee, lower leg, right ankle, right foot, top of your foot, all 5 toes, the sole of your right foot, right heel, filled with awareness. May you bring your attention to your whole right foot, grounded, connected. Can you notice the whole right side of your body? The whole right side of your body, alive, vibrant. Attention back up the right leg, right inner thigh and right hip, and over to your left hip, left leg, left thigh, left knee, lower leg, left ankle, your left foot. Attention on the whole left foot, top of your foot, all 5 toes. The sole of your left foot, left heel, the whole left side of your body. Awareness and attention to the whole left side of your body, alive, filled with energy, radiance, vibrant, conscious attention to the left side of your body, right side of your body, left side of your body, both sides of your body together. May you bring your attention back up the left leg and into your bottom, low back, mid back, upper back, whole back, spine, aligned, your whole spine, aligned and alive. Each vertebra, space between each vertebra. Notice the shoulder blades, your shoulders, your neck, the back of your head, the top of your head, your whole head relax more and more. From the tips of your toes all the way up to the top of your head, whole body, full body, your body, present, connected to your highest sense of self, self-assured. I am me. I am my own person. I am growing even more into myself. whole body breathing, sensing and perceiving trillions and trillions of cells, reviving, replenishing, restoring, replicating for you, contracted and expanded, filled with loving awareness and a deep sense of self. I am me. May you connect with the tingle sensation and the vibration along the edges of your skin, moving deeper and deeper into self, a healthier level of body and mind. Body breathing your breath, and breath breathing your body, drifting. Notice the signals, messages from your body. How often do I listen to my body? The voice, the whisper. I am me. I am growing into myself. And slowly you may begin to allow the benefits and the effects to continue to absorb in you. To feel rested and awakened at the same time. You may begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. You can move the wrist and ankles, or you may count yourself back into your present for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you'd like to take your fingers and to massage your cheeks and jaw, or around your ears, maybe pull along your ears or up towards your eyes and temples and eyebrows, forehead. You can reach the arms up and overhead for a great stretch. And you may open your eyes, notice the space, your senses, to reorient, and to honor this wisdom, this knowledge, the dots connected for you. And thank you so much for showing up for yourself and practicing with me. You amaze me.